Forecast.
Another nice day, albeit a bit cooler. Here's a nice shot from the Tye River at Crabtree Falls as you begin to enter the trailhead there with the arched bridge in the background. Gorgeous scene, and of course the river's still running swift, at least at that location. We've got numbers right now that include 71 at the airport, made up to a high of 74 this afternoon, 69 there in Madison, 71 in Palmyra, 69 both in Waynesboro, and 68 currently in Stanton. Doppler radar has shown a few light returns, but all of that is aloft, not reaching the ground, what we call virga, but the clouds have certainly rolled in. All the action's farther to our west, especially west of Interstate 77. Again, some big storms that have come out of the Cumberland Gap area and across eastern Kentucky. And basically these storms are in a weakening mode, and the air mass over us is much more stable than activity that's happening farther to the west. But some of the remnants of this will likely be working in later tonight. Now, for tomorrow, we do have a flood watch that includes all of Greene County, all of Madison, all of Rappahannock, and certainly the northern Blue Ridge. It wouldn't take a whole lot to trigger excessive runoff to cause those small creeks and streams to come out of their banks. Of course, last week when we had excessive rain, both Greene and Madison counties for several hours were under flash flood emergency. So just be mindful of your situation, especially if you live in those normally flood-prone areas or close to small creeks and streams. Rainfall mainly through tomorrow, and most of this, a lot will fall late tonight and early tomorrow morning, a half an inch to an inch and a half of rain. Of course, any storms can produce localized higher amounts of rainfall. Temperatures here tonight will settle into the mid-50s. And you want cool, well, temperatures are pretty much going to be stuck in the mid-60s tomorrow, and we're going to have periods of rain with the best opportunity during the morning hours, and then there'll be opportunities as we head into the afternoon and evening. So we'll call it rain at times, cool temperatures. The late week does show some improvement, but we'll still hold on to a shower storm here on Thursday along with some breezy conditions. But all these numbers, even into the upcoming weekend, are all below average here for May. So the clouds continue to roll in. Most of the actions out to the west. We'll watch that line as it continues to shift off to the east. It's a different story as you get back to the Ohio and Tennessee River valleys. You can see all the active tornado watches, even up into portions of Illinois. And this first storm system is going to weaken out as a new storm center takes shape, and that'll ride up the coast. But the attending fronts and the energy will bring us the rain that we expect here late tonight and certainly tomorrow. You can see how much warmer it is off to our south, and that's basically near a warm front that won't make it too far north, but keep the showers ongoing. So here we are with Futurecast showing you that line kind of weakening out, but a few showers. And then overnight, that's probably going to be our best opportunity for widespread rain, some rumbles of thunder, temperatures in the 50s, and then we hold on to those clouds so a good portion of the day, much warmer to our south where there's likely more storms. We'll hold on to those shower chances. Even on Thursday now, it's breezy. Temperatures in the 50s, afternoon highs with some sunshine, upper 60s to lower 70s. So again, late night rain and thunder, temperatures in the 50s. Here's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast as we're going to continue with below average temperatures through the stretch. Again, best rain chance is Wednesday and then drying out by the end of the week. Right now, the tail end of the Memorial Day weekend may feature our next system with some more showers.
All right, Eric, thank you.